Anusha ma'am, can we hear yes from you? Yeah. Okay, so namaste, namaskar, swagatam, suswagatam, abhinandan, kincho, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum, and this is Uday Rajvi, saying your official host for the Perfect Mrs. India 2021 and the Perfect Achievers Award Season 6. I extend my warm welcome to all of you on the behalf of Perfect Woman Magazine and the Perfect Mrs. India 2021. Hello to all. I hope everybody is doing great. How are you guys? Are you fine? Yes. Itna chota yes? Can we have some energy? Yes. Yeah, that's what it is about the Perfect Woman Magazine. The Perfect Woman Magazine is India's leading perfect magazine that's established in 2011. It's been more than 10 to 11 years now we are working, and in 2018 we established Perfect Mrs. India. And it's been now, this is the 5th year. We have come a long way. And I really congratulate to all the finalists. We have 12 finalists that has been selected across India. So are you guys ready for the Perfect Mrs. finalist? Yes? So can we start the show? No? So I would like to thank first of all the founder of Perfect Woman Magazine, Guru Bhai sir and Dr. Khushi Thakur. Can we have the perfect woman behind the Perfect Woman Magazine? Dr. Khushi Guru Bhai Thakur. Can we have please Perfect Woman please? Give me a second please. Can we just change the pictures? Chan sir is there? Yes. So there's a perfect woman and the perfect woman behind the magazine. Thank you, ma'am. It's truly honored to be here.
Hello everyone, and first of all I would like to thank each and everyone present out here. It's actually a blessing for me to have you all together sharing the stage, sharing the space with me. Due to COVID crisis, we all are going through tough time, but as we all say, the show must go on. So yesterday we got the special orders and we had to cut short everything. But it is always better, whatever happens, it happens for good. And I really thank my entire team, specifically Uday, who's hosting the entire show, taking care of everything. So Uday Rajvi is going to share the entire stage. So I really thank him. On the entire team is always, we all are happy to have him as an official host. And I would like to call on stage my PR, my bestie, Narad. She's Anusha, Narad PR, brand strategy. She's the brand maker, she is my family. And here
There is the loudest applause for one and only the best PR, Anusha ma'am. Anusha here is here.
I'll tell you one thing, nothing can success without success. So it's like without a team, it is never possible for anyone to grow. And this is all because of the team that I'm blessed that today I stand here in front of everyone. So I really thank Universe for such a wonderful people around me.
Ma'am, over to you.
See, PR is a very thankless job, okay? But here is when the event opens, when she thanks you, then you know it makes a difference. I'm not here as a PR, I'm here because Khushi is my friend. Khushi is someone who lives up to her name. She spreads happiness around, and when she smiles, there is like little pieces of sunshine running around the room. That's the way I feel with her.
This is a standard, what she always uses, but I tell her that she's really a darling because the way she has helped and guided me. हम लोग रात को आधी रात को we've been discussing about, though you cannot see much of the crowd, but we have been working since many days, day and nights. Then only it's possible for us to come up with such a good show. And the show जो super hit होता है, success होता है, media से होता है, और media के बगैर हम कुछ नहीं है. So it's all because of media that we stand here. So I again thank to the entire media team also who make us a brand.
I'd like to say, take 2 minutes of your time. Perfect Woman is a very beautiful magazine that empowers women. It's not about having pretty faces on the cover, it's about bringing the essence of a woman. The award also is the same way. You know, there is no difference whether you're married, whether you're divorced, whether you're single, whether you're plump, you're dark, you're fair. There's nobody judging you out there. What people look at is your talent. And that's very important, and to do it consistently year after year is not an easy job. And when we honor people on this stage, it is also because of what they have done in their lives and what they seek to achieve. and how they have contributed to society. There is no third angle to this, and there is nothing personal. These awards are honorary, they are given to people with love and affection. And so is this contest that is there. It empowers a lot of women, because I personally have met women who married, who had 2 children, and have reconciled to a life of, what happened in the past is past, but right now you don't have an identity of your own. You're a mother, you're a wife, you're a daughter-in-law, and beyond that you don't have an identity. But Perfect Woman gives that identity to the women. I personally know a friend of mine who was a homeopath who was here last year, and they're not there because they're my friends. Huh? They came in through the contest and we suddenly said, oh, you're out here. And there's another lady who's a housewife. But the feeling of empowerment, of being here, of being trained, of being groomed, and then walking out of here feeling confident, facing life with a newer meaning. To have your family stand next to you and click pictures instead of you being that person doing, makes a very big difference to a woman. And that is what this magazine does, and that is what Khushi is all about. I'm so glad to be a part of this journey in a very small way, because whatever is the contribution and whatever has happened is her and her husband Gurubai, who is, the man behind the Perfect Woman. So I'm very thankful to everyone for giving me an opportunity to be here, and especially Khushi, may you grow from strength to strength. God bless you.
Thank you so much. And here I'm passing the stage.
मैम आपने गुरुभाई सर की बात की, तो मैं गुरुभाई सर की तरफ से एक शायरी कहना चाहूँगा, क्योंकि इज अ ग्रेट पोएट. वो कहते हैं ना कि ऐसा फूल क्या जिसका कोई माली ना हो, ऐसा जीजा क्या जिसकी कोई साली ना हो, और ऐसा गुरुभाई का इवेंट क्या जिसमें हमारी प्यारी ऑडियंस की तालियां ना हो. Lovely.
Thank you so much. And today there are 2 events happening in one stage. That's one is Perfect Achievers Award. It's the Diamond Awards happening. And another one is Perfect Mrs. India. Perfect Mrs. India is all about a pageant for married women. And here you will see all the beautiful top 12 contestants from all India who are going to showcase their talent. And please do not judge them with who they are, because they all are perfect in their own way, accepting their flaws. So I would definitely appreciate each and everyone to acknowledge their talent in the same way as we have been portraying them. So here I am passing the line, and enjoy. And now we'll be having a performance with...
So I would like to extend a warm welcome and thanks to jury. Mr. Irbaz Ansari is here, the managing director, leading newspaper Hindustan Daily and TSG Live. He's also a national winner in social work for his NGO. Thank you Irbaz Ansari ji for being here, and thank you Advocate Khalid Babu Qureshi ji. He's a Vice President BJP Minority Monarch of Maharashtra, and thank you Bollywood playback singer Alamgir. And we have our special guest, Vijaya Tuli ji. She's a mother of actress Madhurima Tuli, and she's also a social activist and a mountaineer. Thank you, ma'am, for being here. Thank you so much.
I'd like to take this moment to speak about Geet Thakkar. Geet Thakkar has also been a part of the whole work that we've been doing.